Are you looking for an amazing sound upgrade to your Can-Am Defender? If you are, stay tuned for more. Hey everybody, Nick Lamonaco from Memphis here to talk to you about our awesome Can-Am Defender kits. Let's start with our front pods that are unique for the industry. So what we do is we provide a fully 100% waterproof enclosure, which is a two-piece injection molded enclosure that sandwiches the speaker in between. So if you notice, there's no speaker that's screwed into enclosure. From the factory, these are sandwiched together to be completely waterproof, so you don't have to worry about water getting into that speaker. So what that provides is, number one, the waterproof for longevity and also reliability. But number two, it creates for sure 100% sealed enclosure that's going to help with that added mid bass, giving you that airspace behind the mid. We have the floating tweeter on the grill, so we're getting that full dust cap and that full mid bass design, and then the tweeter up front to give you that nice crisp sound. And then of course, looking at the lid speaker that Phil's holding there, you know Memphis is going to do it right with the LEDs. We got the cone lighting up, we got the logo on the top, and the down firing light down there. So this is the left speaker in the machine. So this will be down in the kick panel, and that LED is going to light up the floorboard whatever color you want, from for a million different colors, whatever controller you can put it wherever you want. You're going to light up the cone, you're going to light up the Memphis logo, and you're going to light up the bottom of your machine, giving you, who knows, 6 to 9 dB more with that much LEDs, but awesome sounding, completely sealed, and obviously giving you those extra LEDs. Another cool thing about all of our side-by-side kits is they're 100% plug and play. So what that means is all the harnesses you need are included in the box to hook up your amplifier, your front speakers, your rear speakers, and power to that amp, all that. In addition, they're 100% scalable. What that means is we use the same amplifier for the front and rear speakers. So if you want to start with just the front speakers, you can get the harness and add the rear speakers later. And if you want to add a sub later, well, all of our subs are self-amplified. So when other companies, you have to swap out the amplifier to a 5-channel, ours, you just put the sub in and it's got the amp built in. And then on top of that, the Defender goes to the next level and it's super scalable. What you're looking at here is a Can-Am Defender 10-inch sub. This is a 300 watt subwoofer. It absolutely slams. You can see the port there. Obviously, you got the extra 3 to 6 dB with the LED. But the coolest part about this Can-Am Defender sub is in a 2-seater, there's a toolbox. You remove the toolbox, this drops right into the spot for that toolbox. And if you have the option for a toolbox or bass, I think we're all going to choose bass. And the best part about the Defender in general is the 4-seater. You can add up to 3 of these 10-inch subs in your Defender, and you can absolutely slam with all the stuff you need. You see the wiring harness, you just give it power ground remote signal, add it to the system. You can start with 1 sub and end with 3 and have the loudest Defender on the road today. So all these cool features, in addition to being completely scalable, you can start small and big. Once you check out the price, you're going to realize, wow, this really is awesome. For more information, go check us out at memphiscaraudio.com.